What's up, you guys? Today I'll be building out a weather / Todoist app in Python. So essentially I'll show you guys what I mean. But yeah, essentially what I want this script to do is I want it to get my to-do list for the day. Okay, get my to-do list for the day, also get the weather for the day, and I want it to send it to me as a text message in the morning. Cannot import daily. Why can't you import daily? Let's do tasks. And let's task assigning ID, create YouTube videos. How to current date in Python, right? So right here, this is what we need. Get today's date in Python. So so I'm just gonna use a simple for loop. So for x in for task in tasks, I want you to print out each tasks, for example, right? So let's see. God damn. Okay, so first of all, take this shit out. We don't need that. Now let's reprint it. Okay, so we have our two tasks. Cool. Now I want you to get the due date of that and then dot date. Okay.
It's unbelievable, like aliens and flying saucers.
So right here, essentially what it does is it grabs all the tasks, okay? Then right here, grabbing today's date. For here, we are iterating through all the tasks and filtering the ones that are due today, okay? And then it should pop up. There you go.
We don't know who we are. We don't know where we are. Each of us woke up one moment. Here we were in the darkness.
It's very simple. Alright, all it is me copy and pasting honestly like half the stuff and just printing out some stuff, so that's really it. Coding video, let's see.
Usually, I'm the one supplying the group of trees. I can show you how I roll. What you gonna do for me? Hit the lab, across the street. 'Cause I ain't in it for some money like T5. Take something off the grapevine, twist it like inside. Or you can beg it, try to make your profit back. You can earn a couple stacks if you move an ounce of that. Beg without thinking that you can watch when the time came, make use of the two socks. And then I met my man deep from the barber shop.
So I ran into a problem when trying to grab all the events from my calendar, it's currently not allowing me to grab the correct events within the day that I'm requesting for. So that's something we gotta try to figure out.
So I was wondering why it is not grabbing the events that I wanted it to. So as you can see here, once I go over like 6 o'clock, it doesn't grab it for some reason. So let's do hello. Let's just do hello, for example. Okay, and let's run a server. As you can see, there is no hello. Split, and then split it at the T. Call the 0. Right, then what do we get? Boom! That's what I'm talking about. Today we're going to be working on grabbing all these data and simply running it through the Twillo API that sends us a text message to ourselves in the morning. So that's the part we'll be working on today, specifically the Twillo part. So no, kind of CMDB. So what is it returning back? Okay. So now I got it to run and it returns back to SID. And as you can see, we have it right here. See if I could get this to focus or not. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is not gonna work, guys. So you could see it from here. If I could get the focus a little. Explain a little bit of how this works right here. All it is that we're grabbing our SID that we get from Twillo here. We have an auth token that we're also grabbing it, and then we're plopping it into a client object. So all this code here you can get straight from Twillo here. So it's not really much to explain really. And then you just create your message, and then in the body this is where you put all your data, and that's all you really need to know. Everything else is just copy and paste, right? So that's pretty much it. And then to explain what we did here is all I did was convert the date time into so maybe we should comp this. Convert UTC time, convert UTC to EST. Okay, that's all we did here is converting our UTC time to EST time, and then we're simply adding it to a string, and that's pretty much it. So that basically concludes our project. It's a very cool, fun project to do. If you guys want to get used to working with APIs or just having some fun, I suggest doing something like this. Instead of having to look through every single app and see what you have to do, what your events are, why not just combine everything and plop them into a Python script and then have it sent to you in the morning. Pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more content like this, please let me know. And that's basically it, guys. Peace.